हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम आपकी वर्कशीट नंबर 36 क्लास 9 साइंस इंग्लिश मीडियम डेट 25 सितंबर को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. एज यू नो दैट आवर चैप्टर मोशन इज़ गोइंग ऑन and you must be aware also that we were discussing the different equations of motion. So in today's worksheet we are going to discuss third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square equals to 2as. So as in the last two worksheets we discussed the first equation of motion by graphical method, second, and now the third. So when an object moves along a straight line with a uniform acceleration, it covers a definite distance in particular interval of time. So that distance covered in a time interval is same. So third equation of motion, it establishes a relation between initial final velocity along with the position of the objects. That's why the equation can be derived by the velocity time graph of uniformly accelerating objects. We can easily derive the equation by this. This can be obtained from first and second equation of motion by eliminating t from them. So let's see how the derivation is done. So in this you can see from this, again in all the three you have seen that the initial velocity you have taken in the graph, you can see 0, not 0. So you can see the initial velocity in object at point A where increases to v at point B. Okay, from here to here it is going. Now again we are drawing a perpendicular line BC from point B. This is the perpendicular line BC on x-axis. Here the initial velocity and final velocity of the time interval is represented by OA, BC and OC. So OA, BC and OC, these are the different initial velocities time frame. Now let's see how it is done. We know that the distance traveled by an object is obtained by enclosed within OABC. This one you can see the dark color lines, the inner area. So the distance traveled by an object equals to the area of this OABC, and when we write the area of this trapezium OABC, it is OA plus BC into OC divided by 2. So we put the values of OA is the initial velocity, BC final and OC t. So it comes out to be S is equal to U plus V into T upon 2. So from the velocity time first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. So T is equal to V minus U upon A. So we will replace this T with this and it comes out to be a third equation of motion, which is 2as is equal to V square minus U square. So it is very simple. Do practice this. Now there is a question. You can see this question. A car moving with a velocity of 12 meter per second stops on application of brakes with a deceleration of 6 meter per second square acceleration. Find out the distance traveled by the car if it stops in the next 2 seconds. Now the u 12 meter per second, velocity 0, that is final, time 2 seconds, acceleration because the brakes are applied minus. So v square minus u square equals to 2a's third equation. We'll get the s is 12 meter, distance covered is 12 meter. So these three numericals, you must do all these three numericals at one time from the previous two worksheet, and you will understand how the same formula is utilized and we are getting the result, similar result. Next is the question answers. You can see, write the first and third equation of motion. So first is v is equal to u plus at, and third it is second s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third is the v square minus u square equals to 2as. So you can derive the third equation of motion from velocity time graph, that you can do from the previous slide. Now let's see this question answer. Numerical problem. A car starts moving from rest and attains a velocity of 10 meter per second in 5 minutes. If the acceleration is constant, then calculate acceleration distance traveled by the car. So you have to do two things. First you have to calculate the acceleration, then the distance traveled. Let's see how it is done. You can see initial velocity of the car is given 0, final velocity is 10 meter, time taken 5 minutes. So it's 5 into 60 seconds, that means 300 seconds is the total time. Using first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So 10 equals to 0 plus a into 300. It comes out to be acceleration is 1 upon 30 meter per second. So by using second equation of motion, we calculate the distance. We put all the values in second equation of motion. It comes to be 500 meter. You can also do this second part with the help of third equation of motion. v square minus u square is equal to 2as, so s is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. U is 0 and v is 10 square, so 10 square into 32 into a, it comes out to be 1500 meter. So for doing this second part, you can use this third equation of motion also. It is not necessary you use the second one. Hope you like this. In this third equation is v square minus u square equals to 2as. Hope you like this worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.